Hello children. So I assume that you've read your poem, you've done your summary and you've done your literary devices and the word meanings. Now we come down to the category of questions. In your Maxx marks, you will find extract based questions, short question answers and long question answers. Now there are sufficient questions for your practice also. Now extract based question, Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and blink in glee did gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. Now, whom does him refer to? See, Belinda embraced him. Mustard licked him. No one mourned for his pirate victim. Ink and blink in glee and gyrate around the dragon that ate the pirate. Whom does him refer to? Whom are they talking about? Are they talking about ink? Are they talking about blink, the pirate? No. They are talking about Custard. It was Custard who had shown bravery and had eaten the pirate's body. What did him do to the pirate? What did he do to him? Did he throw away the pirate? Did he lick the pirate? Did he sat on the pirate? No, he had eaten his body. So, ate the pirate. Then the next one. Belinda dashed the dragon. See, always look back into your extract to find out the answers. No? Now, Belinda hit the dragon, or she smashed him, or she bit him. What did she do? She hugged him, for it was Custard the dragon who had saved their lives. What change had occurred in the dragon? What change had come up in him? He faced the pirate courageously and saved everyone's life. He got scared looking at the pirate. He fainted looking at the pirate. Which option would you go for? If you've read your poem well, if you know it very well, you would not waste time thinking about the correct answer. You will spontaneously come up with the correct answer. So, obviously, he faced the pirate courageously and saved everyone's life. Now, who was the victim? What do you mean by victim? The sufferer. Who was the sufferer? Who was attacked by Custard? Was it Belinda? Was it Custard? Was it ink? Or was it pirate? It was pirate who was the victim. Victim is the one who is the sufferer. Now moving on to your open-ended questions. We have these short answer type questions. Was everyone really as brave as they claimed? The answer for short answer type questions need to be brief, according to the specified word limit, neither less nor more. And then whatever the question is asking you, answer only that. It is only in long questions that you can go in for the details. In short questions, be specific and stick to what the question is asking you. Belinda and her 3 pets, excluding Custard, were very proud of their bravery. But they were not really brave. It was only Custard who had the courage to face the pirate. So, he was the real brave. No, I don't think so. There will be any, you won't have to learn it or memorize it. You know your poems well, you will be easily able to frame your answers. Develop the habit of framing the answers yourselves. No? Avoid the habit of mugging up, memorizing, cramming up, because when you cram up something, what happens is sometimes there's some kind of spontaneously, the entire mind just goes blank, and suddenly the thing is washed away. But if you prepared it well, you won't face any such problem. What is the central idea of the poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon? The central idea of the poem is that our judgment should be based on the real deeds of people. Appearances are deceptive, not on their self-recommendations, not on what you claim. Appearances may be deceptive and claims may be hollow. Moreover, people with true virtues need not indulge in false pretense. You don't have to pretend. You are brave, it will be visible at some point or the other. Their brave acts speak volumes about their characters. Next. Now the long answer question. Do you find the tale of Custard the Dragon to be a serious or a light-hearted poem? Give reasons to support your answer. Whenever you have to support the answer, it should always be text-based. And if the question is having two parts, like the first is they are asking you, do you find the tale of Custard the Dragon to be a serious or a light-hearted poem? First you answer this, then you support it, how it is light-hearted, how it is humorous. The Tale of Custard the Dragon is a very light and funny poem meant to be enjoyed by everyone. The way the poem has been written with a fixed rhyme scheme makes it very easy and enjoyable to read. The poet has even used wrong spellings to maintain the rhyme scheme. The features of Belinda and her pets described in the poem make it quite humorous, quite funny. Belinda's bravery has been compared to a barrel full of beers. So all this is creating humor. A liquid substance. All the tiny creatures such as the kitten and the mouse have been shown so brave that they can scare a lion. And the dog's bravery has been compared to a tiger's rage. All this is humorous. It is funny. The biggest of them all, the dragon, is the only one who has been shown as a coward. A dragon being a coward and those pets being as brave as a lion, as brave as tigers, and then Belinda being compared to those barrels full of beers, and who looks for a cage for himself, which is very ironic. Imagine the dragon wants a cage, wants a safe cage. So the entire poem is, it is funny. With this, we come to your end of long question answer round, short question answer round, and your extract based questions. There are more such solved questions in your Maxx marks which you need to go through, and then there are certain practice questions which you need to practice. And when you practice them, make sure that you stay focused and you see, there's one thing which I always tell everyone, wherever you are, be there 100%. Even if you are at your friend's birthday party, you don't have to think that I have my exam tomorrow. If you are there for an hour, enjoy there. Once you come back, then be back there, be with your studies, be with your books. Stay focused wherever you are, right? Take care and prepare for your term 2 exams and score good marks with Maxx marks. God bless you.